Hello and welcome to this crochet tutorial. I'm gonna teach you how to do the Tunisian crochet return pass. So this is the motion that you're gonna do every time you finish your row. So I already inserted my hook in the last stitch, the last two vertical bars, so I'm gonna just yarn over and they make one chain. Then I'm gonna yarn over again and pull through two loops from my hook. And I'm gonna repeat this motion until I don't have but one loop in my hook. It's very simple. Keep yarning over and pulling through loops all the time. Yarn over and pull through two until you just reach the end and you just have one loop in your hook. Now, no matter what stitch you're doing in your Tunisian crochet project, every time you need to do the return pass is always the same. One chain for the first stitch and then yarning over and pulling through two loops until you just have one loop in your hook. When you reach this point, you're ready to continue with the other row, the next row. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more tutorials. See you later!